Hi, this is a quick review of the Adesso split keyboard. It is wireless. It comes with AAA batteries and a USB dongle. Basically everything for you to get started. Now, getting a mini split keyboard with wireless is extremely hard. There's not a lot of options, and here were my previous options. This is the Microsoft ARC. Next to it is the Microsoft Scope, which is a lot bigger than the ARC. The first thing you'll notice is that it looks cheap. The Adesso, it looks cheap, plastic. It is also thicker, much thicker than the ARC. Here is the ARC for comparison side by side. In the middle of the Adesso, there's the Trackball. It is super small. Here's my thumb for reference. And accuracy is just not there, unfortunately. Also, one of the issues that I noticed is that going diagonal, meaning if you go diagonal like this, is not possible. Either that or there's something wrong with my trackball. Accuracy is terrible, so I will not use this for gaming at all. Here is the Microsoft Scope for comparison. Side by side, you'll see that the scope is very sleek because of all of its curve. Meanwhile, the Adesso itself is very cheap and thick looking. I'm not a super picky person, but as you can see, side by side, the Adesso is not that great on your desk. One other thing I also don't like about it is that it's very loud. So there's no way you can type in the dark at night with somebody sleeping by in the same room. This is what it sounds like. This is what the ARC sounds like. Much quieter. And so is the Scope as well. Very quiet. If you absolutely need a compact split keyboard with a trackball, I guess there's no other options because this is it. But for my use, I wouldn't recommend it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.